Two Night Stand stars Miles Teller and Annalee Tipton and is a simple film that's only an hour and 26 minutes long, and it's about two people who meet together after they're talking online dating website, and she goes to his house for a one-night stand, which she thinks is going to be a one-night stand, and a very bad snowstorm in New York, and she gets trapped in at his place, and she is forced to stay there another night, which is the title, Two Night Stand. After the first one-night stand, they have very bad feelings against each other. They kind of arguing, so it's awkward at first together, where she's stuck there and she really doesn't want to be there, but she's forced to stay there. And this is a movie that doesn't have a very strong plot. It's a very simple plot, just about what happens after a one-night stand in these kind of circumstances where people are trapped in on a snowstorm. But what I think makes it a decent watch is that the chemistry between Miles Teller and Annalee Tipton were actually pretty good. They had some really great chemistry together once they got past the awkward stage and fighting stage. They were helping each other with, relationships, and they were just talking. They got high at one moment. So all their chemistry worked really well together. They were great. This movie didn't have a lot of funny moments. It was supposed to be like a comedy, but it just didn't hit any funny bones with me. I just wasn't laughing at all. I was just kind of just watching it. But I did enjoy the on-screen presence of Miles Teller and Annalee Tipton. So with not a very strong plot and not very funny moments, the only thing that's relying on this movie is the two characters, Miles Teller and Annalee Tipton. I did find their characters pretty interesting, but other than that, the film is a decent watch. Nothing too great or surprising. It's just a movie that I just watched and I can go on with my life now. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it a C. This is Just Watch Movies with his review on Two Night Stand, and I'll see you later.